Yo, dog, you ain't broke 'cause you're dumb. You broke 'cause you got no plan, no discipline, no system. But today, you about to get a damn blueprint. 90 days, that's the challenge. You stick to it, you change your life. You skip it, you stay broke. Period. No silver bullets, just smart, simple, savage moves.
So I can't just manifest a Lambo with good vibes and an amethyst crystal?
Nah. Pull your bank statements. Credit card, debit, Cash App, Venmo. 3 months back, lay it all out on the table. No filters, no shame, just truth. Week 1, set up. Break it down. Needs: shelter, food, transportation. Wants: bottomless brunch, designer dupes, glitz flicks. Debt: all of it. Loans, credit, IOUs to Aunt Cheryl. Look, you can't fix what you ain't looking at. And right now, your money's a mess. This ain't budgeting, this is war. And your wallet is the battlefield. No more guessing, we moving with purpose now. Mr. Blacktip, create 3 folders: survive, thrive, and drain. Everything goes into one of those. If it's draining you, trash it. Week 2, cut the fat. Netflix, gone. Uber Eats, you got legs, use them. That fancy gym you don't even swipe into, cut it.
Ew, spreadsheets? I literally break out in hives when I open Excel.
Good. Then use a notebook or an app. But track your damn money. If it don't feed your health, your hustle, or your peace, it don't belong. That's the rule. You save $300+ a month just by not being reckless. That's a whole investment portfolio right there.
But Mr. Black, I need my oat milk lavender vanilla iced lattes with cinnamon dust and a biodegradable straw.
Girl, that latte costs you a Lambo. Sort your expenses from big to small. Ask yourself, do I need this? Would future me thank me? Is this a vibe or just a trap? If the answer ain't hell yes, it's a straight up no. This ain't deprivation, this is elevation. Week 3, automate like a boss. Payday hits, auto transfer 10% to a high yield savings. No questions, no emotion. That's your I ain't never sleeping on nobody's couch again fund. Make it invisible. Out of sight, out of mind. You ain't even supposed to see that money. Mr. Blacktip, rename your savings account to Freedom Fund. Every time you check it, you remember what you're building.
Wait, can I automate my rent and my self-care days?
Automate your priorities first. Pay yourself like you matter, 'cause you do. Also, set a calendar alert once a month to review where your money's going. 15 minutes, that's all. This ain't a hobby, it's your comeback story. Week 4 and 5, debt and the power cushion. Minimum payments, that's what broke folks do when they trying to look responsible. You hitting that debt like it insulted your mama. Call the banks, negotiate interest, cut what you can. You ain't asking for permission, you taking control.
If I pay more than the minimum, doesn't that make me look desperate?
Desperate? Nah, it makes you dangerous. Debt is slavery with Wi-Fi and Afterpay. It's sneaky. It smiles while robbing you. Your goal, knock out smallest balances first, snowball method, or highest interest first, avalanche method. Pick your weapon, stay consistent, and start building your $1,000 emergency fund. It ain't optional. It's survival. Phone breaks, car tire pops, job ghosted you. You good. You ready. You unbothered.
$1,000? That's like 3 outfits and a weekend in Tulum.
Then stay broke and Tulum, Blondie. Week 6, Rich People Playbook. You don't need 10 stocks. You need one index fund, like the S&P 500 ETF. It's like buying America. And America, despite the drama, goes up over time.
Ugh, investing sounds like math. Can't I just buy a Gucci bag and call it an asset?
A Gucci bag don't pay dividends. Stop praying for crypto miracles. Get rich slow. That's the real flex. Invest every single month. Doesn't matter if the market's up, down, or side-eyeing you. Be consistent. Set it, forget it, grow it. Like your edge is after a good detox. Week 7, earn or die. Cutting costs is cute, but you can't shrink your way to wealth. You gotta earn more. Ask for a raise, switch jobs, freelance, flip stuff, start a service. There's a million ways to get paid, but 0 excuses. Mr. Black Tip, skill up. YouTube is free. Google is free. The grind, not easy, but it's worth it.
Wait, you mean I have to work more? But I already hate my job.
Firstly, being an heiress bitch is not a job, girl. You have to change the game, but whining ain't a strategy. There's no ceiling on your income, only the one you build for yourself. Week 8 and 9, goals and credit savagery. Write down your money goals, not in your head, not in your notes app, on paper. Want to save $10K this year? Cool. That's $833 a month. Now break that down weekly, then daily. Make the goal so real it slaps you when you wake up. Winners track, losers guess. Now let's talk credit. Credit ain't evil, stupidity is. Credit is a tool, not a trap. Use it for points. Pay it in full. Never carry a balance. Keep your utilization under 10%. If you carry a balance, you just made the bank richer.
Wait, you want me to cancel all my streaming subscriptions? Even Glitzflix?
If you can't afford to save and stream, cut the stream.
But Mr. Black, Uber is my cardio.
You better lace up them sneakers. Weeks 10 to 12. Net worth is your scoreboard. Assets minus liabilities equals net worth. Track it monthly. It's your scoreboard, your progress bar, your mirror.
Do I include my followers as an asset? I got like 14K.
Unless your followers paying rent, nah. Got a car? Subtract the loan. Got student debt? Subtract that too. Own stock? Add it. Got savings? Add that. Got a Birkin? Leave it out unless you're trying to flip it. If your net worth's going up, you growing. If it's flat, you coasting. If it's down, you need to pivot. Ask yourself, where do I want to be in 1 year? What does my money look like in 5 years? Who do I become in 10 years? Write it. Visualize it. Chase it like your life depends on it, because it kind of does. You made it to the end, then you are already ahead of 90% of people out here still Googling how to get rich fast. Now do the hard part. Apply. Comment Black Plan if you serious. Subscribe if you done with excuses. This ain't entertainment. This is transformation.
It's official. I'm obsessed. That's why I love you, Mr. Black.
Mr. Black Card. And this was the blueprint. Stay safe, my dogs.